Hello, this is a free lesson from LessonRating.com. We're just going to go over the very basics of 2-5-1 progressions, which is the foundation of jazz. Most songs are based off this progression. We're going to do our first 2-5-1 progression in the key of C. So it's going to include a D minor 7th chord as the 2 chord. And the 5 chord is G7, and the 1 chord is going to be a C major 7. So what we're going to do is take the D minor 7 first, and we're going to simplify this to only play the root in the left hand. So the root is just the bass note of the chord. Since it's a D minor chord, we're going to play a D in the left hand. And in the right hand, we're only going to play the 3rd of the chord and the 7th of the chord. And to figure out the notes of the chord, you can just count up from D. So 1, 2, 3. So there's our 3rd. And 7th is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are our 2 notes we're going to play with it. And when you put the D in the bass, you'll hear that sound, which is the D minor 7. And then the easiest way to go to the 5 chord is just lowering the 7th down a half step, and that's always going to be the case. So if you lower the 7th down a half step, and now we're playing a G in the bass, that's our G7 chord. And if you notice here, we're playing 3rd and 7th of the G as well. So let's do that again. D minor 7, G7, and now we're going to take the 7th of the G and bring it down a half step. And now we're going to be the 3rd and 7th of C major 7. So there's C major 7. So let's do that all at once. D minor 7, there's our 3rd, there's our 7th. Moving to G7. This time the 3rds and 7th are flip-flop. There's our 7th, there's our 3rd. If you want to see, there's the 7th, 3rd. They're just flip-flopped. Now going to the C major 7, just bring that 7 down a half step, and a C in the bass, and here's our 3rd, and here's our 7th, C major.